Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very common problem that I see in the clinic, especially with teenagers and young adults. That's premature or early graying of the hair. What is premature graying? In Indians, graying usually starts after the age of 25. It usually starts in the sides just above the ears, the temporal areas, and gradually progresses with age. So, whenever the graying of hair starts before the age of 25, we call it premature graying of hair. We know that our hair is a great aesthetic tool for all of us. Any problems related to the hair, like hair fall or graying, can lower the confidence and self esteem of a person to a great extent. So, today I'm going to discuss the various causes and how to prevent and treat this common problem. Although the exact cause for graying or early graying of hair is not known, there are a few postulates like there is something called as the oxidative stress. What I mean by this is there are certain oxygen free radicals which in the hair follicles they prevent the melanin synthesis. And what are the various causes which lead to this increase in the free oxygen radicals? The most common is the ultraviolet rays of the sun or the UV rays. Excessive exposure to sunlight can cause early graying. Any psychological stress like emotional stress, anxiety, depression can cause our hair to gray earlier and faster. Pollution is a very important cause. Certain nutritional deficiencies like vitamin B12 deficiency, deficiency of vitamin D, deficiency of proteins, iron deficiency, even deficiency of zinc, copper, all these can cause early graying to appear. Genetic cause is another very important reason. In many families, we see that graying actually starts pretty much early. Excessive consumption of alcohol, smoking, all these can worsen graying of hair. There are certain medications like anti-malarial medications like chloroquine, anti-cancer medications. These can also cause our hair to gray faster. Having discussed this, what are the various ways in which we can prevent or treat graying of hair? Although the treatment is long drawn and it is not 100%, in many patients we are not able to reverse. At least we should be able to halt the progress of graying in most of our patients. Results are especially very good in younger age in children less than 20 years of age. The most important thing is to reduce the stress that is associated. Have a good night's sleep, sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours, reduce your alcohol consumption, try to quit smoking, have a good healthy diet rich in proteins, have lot of green leafy vegetables, eat local seasonal fruits. Do not forget to have nuts like walnuts, almonds, raisins, dates, etc. The various deficiencies that can cause early graying like vitamin B12, vitamin D and the other things that I mentioned, they have to be treated as well. Hypothyroidism is another very important cause for early graying and if present should also be treated. I commonly use calcium pantothenate for treatment of early graying, especially in young patients less than 20 years of age. Results are very encouraging. Of course, we have to give the medication for a longer period of time, say maybe even 6 months to even about a year. But it helps not only in preventing or worsening of the graying, but also reverses or it causes repigmentation of grey hair. Along with this medication, I usually recommend plucking of hair. We tell our patients to pluck about 5 to 10 hair every day and this helps to speeden up the process of repigmentation. Try to avoid using harsh shampoos, switch to sulfate and paraben free pH balanced shampoos. I would also like to tell my young patients not to start coloring their hair early because coloring eventually increases the number of grey hair. So you could try using natural home remedies like you can use henna, rita, amla, shikakai, even curry leaves, all these can be formulated into a paste and they can be applied on the hair, and it helps to cover the grey to a certain extent. Thank you so much.